What was the word for new, like in neo-colonialism?
Neos.
Neos, the masculine, and neos. We could also have kenurios. Kenurios is often heard in conversation for new as well.
Kenurios.
The word for big,
Megalos.
megalos. And as we've mentioned, neos, new, can mean young, and megalos, big, can mean old as well. Sure or certain, related to secure in English.
Siguros.
Siguros, general, generic.
Genikos.
Difficult,
Dyskolos.
δύσκολος, so this is like, undigesting or something like this. And easy,
Εύκολος.
εύκολος, good digesting. So these are adjectives describing words, and like nouns, they changed, no? But also, we can get words like generally, surely, easily from them. So genikos is general or generic, and generally,
Γενικά.
genika. We have siguros, sure or certain, and surely, certainly,
Σίγουρα.
sigura. How would you say easily?
Εύκολα.
Εύκολα. So these ly words are a certain type of describing word that don't change as the other describing words do, because they're not thought to refer to any noun, but to the verb. We have a form to get them, with the a ending, and then that's it. They don't change anymore. They stay as they are. We don't have to work out who or what they refer to or how they should change. I finish was τελειώνω, τελειώνω,
Τελειώνω.
τελειώνω. How would you say basically he wants to finish it?
Βασικά θέλει να το τελειώσει.
Good, but be careful not to carry over that b from English. Βασικά θέλει να το τελειώσει.
Βασικά θέλει να το τελειώσει.
Very good. We saw briefly quickly as well, like the name Gregory, Grigoris, Grigora quickly. So again, quickly ending ly and in Greek ending in a Grigora.
Γρήγορα.
Basically, they want to finish it quickly. Basically, they want to finish it quickly.
Βασικά θέλουν να το τελειώσουν γρήγορα.
Very good. Βασικά θέλουν να το τελειώσουν γρήγορα. So, βασικά, basically, you hear quite a lot in conversational Greek. It's quite common to start the sentence, maybe to give a second to think and put the sentence together. Βασικά. There are also some other words which you may not expect to fit into this category because they don't end ly in English. What was the word for good?
Καλό.
Καλό, the neuter, no, kalos, kali, etc. But the word for well was?
Καλά.
So, kala, well, is a little like goodly, no? But it doesn't end ly in English, no, well. But this is the idea. Kala is like goodly. So actually it doesn't change for the person. How do you say I'm well?
Είμαι καλά.
Είμαι καλά. If you are a male or female, you say είμαι καλά. No? Are you well?
Είσαι καλά.
Είσαι καλά. Are you guys well?
Είστε καλά.
Είστε καλά. And you don't have to change καλά for gender, for number, for the plural, for anything. Because it's like goodly, welly, something like this. If we do change this word to match the person, it's not going to mean well anymore, it's going to mean good. So if you want to say you guys are good,
Είστε καλοί.
είστε καλοί. Or for females,
Είστε καλές.
είστε καλές. So here it's changing because it means good, not well. How would you say better in the sense of more good?
Πιο καλό.
Πιο καλό or καλύτερο. No, we could have καλύτερο. So this is better as in more good. If we say, for example, this is better than that. No, this is more good than that. So how would you say that? This is better than that. This one is better than that one. And let's talk about the neuter thing.
Αυτό είναι καλύτερο από εκείνο.
Very good. Αυτό είναι καλύτερο από εκείνο. And what if you were talking about the masculine thing? First give me the first bit. This one is better, the masculine thing.
Αυτός είναι καλύτερος.
Very good. Αυτός είναι καλύτερος than that one. So what we actually say is from that one. And we've been seeing with like από, σε, για. When we have a word like from, to, for, no. Afterwards we have him rather than he. We have them rather than they. So we need to think about how we would change ekinos. Generally, no, masculine nouns and adjectives, we drop the S when they're behaving like him rather than he. But some other words, a few other words, behave more like the word for the. So rather than dropping the S, what might happen to ekinos?
We exchange the S with an N.
Good, it would take an N, like ton, no? So how would you say that? This one is better than that one, masculine.
Αυτός είναι καλύτερος από εκείνον.
Very good. Αυτός είναι καλύτερος από εκείνον. So some of these words that function more like the, no, or a, they will behave in a slightly different way, taking an N in the masculine singular, no, when it's like him rather than he. How would you say these ones are better than those ones? And you mean masculine things.
Αυτοί είναι καλύτεροι από εκείνους.
Good. Αυτοί είναι καλύτεροι από εκείνους. So here, εκείνους, it's still acting like the word the, like τους. But you would never notice because the adjectives do the same thing anyway. They also go us. So here it doesn't cause any problem for us. But with the masculine singular, especially, with some words, we're going to have a difference between dropping that S for the adjective or the noun and putting the N because it's a word like the. So kaliteros is better, like more good, no? But better as in more well, no? Like, I don't know, if you've been unwell and somebody says, are you better? No, are you more well? Then it's not going to be kaliteros anymore, but
Καλύτερα.
kalitera, no? So we'll have to think then in Greek what we actually mean. Because in English, we don't have a difference. Better is used for something that's better than something else, and being better after being unwell as well. So, how would you say, are you better? Are you betterly?
Είσαι καλύτερα.
Είσαι καλύτερα? Are you guys better?
Είστε καλύτερα.
Είστε καλύτερα? We are better.
Είμαστε καλύτερα.
Είμαστε καλύτερα. So when we have καλά, well, καλύτερα, better, we don't have to think about changing καλά, καλύτερα. But if we were to say we are better in the sense of more good, like we are better than them, then we would change it. So how would that be?
Είμαστε καλύτεροι.
Είμαστε καλύτεροι. Than them.
Από αυτούς.
Good. Από αυτούς. We have αυτοί, no, for they, and then them, αυτούς. Good. So, είμαστε καλύτεροι από αυτούς. We are better than them. We are the best. How would you say that? We are the best.
Είμαστε οι καλύτεροι.
Είμαστε οι καλύτεροι. Very good.